sounds of distant traffic float into my head. Eyes slowly open, and words won't be enough. But what is left unspoken burns softly in your touch. So hold me in your arms, hold me in your arms. So my love, hold me in your arms. Time moves without us. This room will be untouched. We're safe beneath the truth now, both safe within this love. So hold me in your arms, hold me in your arms. So my love, hold me in your arms. And though the heart in me feels more than you can see, I can't